Keeping your engine cool is crucial for performance and longevity. In today's video, we'll reveal the best radiator flush products that clean fast and restore your cooling system's health. Let's begin with the BlueDevil Radiator Flush 00204. This concentrated formula is designed to break down rust, scale, and greasy residue that accumulate over time inside your cooling system. It's safe for all engine metals, including aluminum, and works effectively in high-mileage vehicles. The standout feature of this product is its ability to thoroughly cleanse without harming delicate engine component. It's a customer favorite on Amazon, with many users reporting improved heat transfer and overall cooling after a single use. If your system has years of buildup, BlueDevil 00204 provides a powerful solution to get things flowing again. Next up is the Prestone AS105 Total Cooling System Cleaner. This 2-in-1 solution cleans both the radiator and the heater core. It's non-toxic, non-acidic, and works well in removing heavy deposits, scale, and corrosion. The AS105 is ideal for scheduled maintenance and offers a quick and safe flush cycle. Users particularly like how it clears out restricted heater cores and improves the efficiency of the heating and cooling system. Prestone has long been a trusted name in automotive care, and this product lives up to the reputation with consistent results and a safe formula that won't damage hoses or gaskets. Coming in third is the CRC THERMOCURE Coolant System Rust Remover. This product targets one of the most stubborn problems: rust. THERMOCURE uses a water-based solution that chemically converts rust into a stable compound, eliminating the risk of further corrosion. It's ideal for older vehicles or any system where water and metal have interacted long enough to cause rust formation. While it doesn't act as fast as acidic flushes, it's far safer and delivers a deep clean over a few hours of circulation. THERMOCURE is especially popular among classic car owners and those restoring vehicles with a neglected cooling system. The fourth product to consider is the BlueDevil 00203 Radiator Flush and Oil Degreaser, a pre-treatment cleaner for vehicles that have suffered from oil contamination in the coolant system. This situation can occur after a blown head gasket or cracked cylinder head. The 00203 formula cuts through oil and grease, making it an essential step before any standard coolant flush. It helps ensure that your radiator flush isn't compromised by leftover oil, which can reduce coolant flow and heat transfer. This product is often used in tandem with BlueDevil 00204 for a complete two-step clean. It's an essential tool for severe contamination scenarios. Last but not least is the IRONTITE THORO-FLUSH Coolant System Cleaner. This powder-based formula is incredibly potent and is designed for deep cleaning, especially in systems filled with sludge or gelled coolants like old Dexcool. It aggressively breaks down buildup that restricts coolant flow and creates hot spots in your engine. THORO-FLUSH is best used in high-mileage or poorly maintained systems where standard flushes aren't strong enough. While it requires a bit more effort to dissolve and circulate, the results are impressive, especially when dealing with thick, sticky deposits. Many do-it-yourselfers and professional mechanics swear by it for its raw cleaning power.